GoPro HERO11 Black, waterproof action camera with 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video, 27 megapixels photos, 1/1.9, image sensor, live streaming, webcam, stabilization, brand, GoPro, connectivity technology, USB, flash memory type, MicroSDHC, color, black, special feature, waterproof, screen size, 1.9 inches, photo sensor technology, CMOS, camcorder type, action camera, model name, GoPro HERO11 Black, waterproof action camera with 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video, 27 megapixels photos, 1/1.9, image sensor, live streaming, webcam, stabilization, included components, HERO11 Black camera, Enduro battery, carrying case, curved adhesive mount, mounting buckle plus thumb screw, USB-C cable about Ths Item, revolutionary new image sensor, expansive field of view ever on a Hero camera out of the box. This gives you an extra large canvas for your creativity by capturing more of the sky and horizon in every shot. Zoom in, crop your shots, change digital lenses, adjust aspect ratios and more while keeping the rich textures and sharpness of your footage. Unbelievable image quality. With 5.3K video that gives you 91% more resolution than 4K and an incredible 665% more than 1080p, HERO11 Black captures the action with crisp detail and cinematic image quality. A water-repelling lens cover even helps eliminate lens flare and other artifacts to make your photos and videos even more stunning. High-res photos plus videos, high frame rate. HERO11 Black's new image sensor boosts photo resolution up to an incredible 27 megapixels while delivering 5.3K 60 video with amazingly fluid motion that you can use to grab stunning 24.7 megapixels stills of your favorite shots. Plus, record 2.7K 240 video that can be played back in 8x slow-mo to catch details that can't be seen at normal speed. Emmy award-winning Hyper Smooth Stabilization. Hyper Smooth has never been better. And now it's won a huge award for its insanely smooth footage, a 2021 Emmy for in-camera sensor and software stabilization. Hyper Smooth 5.0 raises the bar even more with Horizon Lock, improved stabilization for 4:3 aspect ratio footage thanks to our new image sensor, and Auto Boost for maximum stabilization with minimal image cropping. Bike, skate, ski, chase your kids through the park or get some awesome pet POV shots, even the shakiest footage comes out silky smooth. What's included? HERO11 Black camera, Enduro battery, carrying case, curved adhesive mount, mounting buckle plus thumb screw, USB-C cable.